Summers are here to stay and you want to cool off yourself, and what better than these popsicles. I have shared many recipes of the popsicles, but this is a delicious lassi popsicle. Yes, it's a rose lassi popsicle which is keto friendly, low carb, diabetic friendly, and you're going to just love it. Ready within 4 to 5 hours. Basically the freezing time takes a time, so that is the basic time required. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today I'm making keto rose lassi popsicles. I'm using these rose petals. These are your fresh rose petals, and the color itself is so refreshing. You will forget the hot and humid weather. These are my fresh, lovely rose petals. I'm just going to churn it. So after churning, it looks like this. Now I'm going to transfer this finely chopped rose petals into a bowl. This would give a lovely taste to the rose lassi popsicles. I'm adding hung curd to it. Basically, it is the normal curd or yogurt which I have put in it on a sieve and let it rest in the fridge for at least 4 to 5 hours. And after 4 to 5 hours, the water is extracted or it gets collected in a bowl or a pan below the sieve, and the solid portion of the yogurt is collected, and that is known as the hung curd or the Greek yogurt. Here goes fresh cream. Now add erythritol. Good quantity of erythritol or the sweetener goes into it. Whatever sweetener you like, you can add. And some rose water. You can add rose essence even, or the kevra flavor, whatever you like. I wanted to add rose water only. So I've added the rose water and I'm mixing it up thoroughly so that the erythritol gets easily mixed up properly into the mixture. Now I'm going to drop the mixture into the popsicle stand. One thing I forgot to say, you should always wet the mold before putting any mixture into it, so it becomes easier for it to come out. And my rose lassi popsicle is ready. It will go into the deep freezer to freeze. So my popsicles are done and they have gone for freezing. So let's take it out and see how does it look like. Lovely. After 3-4 hours, see, I'm just taking it out. Lovely. So if you have enjoyed making the keto popsicles or the rose lassi popsicle, just go and tap the like button and also the subscribe button, and don't forget to comment also. I would love to read and reply. Thank you.